Understanding knee knocking, an English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, knee knocking. It's a colorful expression that you might come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it. Knee knocking is an idiom that refers to the physical manifestation of fear or nervousness. When someone is extremely anxious, their knees might literally shake or knock together. It's a vivid way to describe that jittery feeling you get in a nerve-wracking situation. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. My first public speaking experience was so terrifying. It was definitely knee-knocking. Before the interview, I experienced a knee-knocking moment, but once I started talking, I calmed down. There are several synonyms and expressions related to knee-knocking. Some of them include butterflies in one's stomach, feeling nervous, cold feet, becoming nervous or hesitant before doing something significant, jelly legs, a similar sensation to knee knocking, where legs feel weak due to nervousness. That's all for knee knocking. We hope this video has helped clarify this expressive idiom for you. Remember, idioms like these can add color and depth to your English, so don't be afraid to use them. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.